In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in An1 Finance. It is very easy and quick process, so make sure about this video till the end. Now to add a bank account in your An1 Finance. First need to open up your An1 Finance app and then log in your account. After this, you need to click on this 3-line menu at the top of your screen. Then from this sidebar, you have to click on this bank connection option. Then this will take you to this screen where you can connect the bank account using these two options. First is connect instantly and second is connect manually. Now what you need to do if you have your online banking credentials. You can choose this first option. But if you don't have your online banking credentials, you can choose the second option where you have to enter your account number and rounding number. So just select any of this option according to your information. Then all you need to do if you selected the first option. This will show you this similar screen. You need to click on this continue button. And then select the bank that you have in from this list and then enter your bank details. And once you do that, your bank account will be added in An1 Finance. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.